If you're looking to elevate your skincare routine, glycolic acid toners are a game changer. These powerful products exfoliate, brighten, and refine your skin, leaving you with a smoother and more radiant complexion. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? Don't worry, we've done the research for you. In this video, we'll cover the top 5 glycolic acid toners, highlighting their features, benefits, and overall performance to help you find your perfect match. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 1, Paula's Choice. The Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 8% AHA Gel Exfoliant is a trusted favorite among skincare enthusiasts. Packed with 8% glycolic acid, this toner is designed to gently exfoliate dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling smooth and rejuvenated. Key features: this lightweight gel contains glycolic acid to exfoliate, green tea extract for its antioxidant properties, and chamomile to soothe and calm the skin. Its fragrance-free and cruelty-free formula makes it suitable for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: apply this product once or twice daily after cleansing. Over time, you'll notice an improvement in skin texture, reduced appearance of fine lines, and a brighter complexion. It's an excellent option for anyone dealing with dull or uneven skin tone. Usability: the gel consistency is easy to apply, and it absorbs quickly without leaving any residue. It's gentle enough for regular use and layers well with other skincare products. Durability: packaged in a sturdy, opaque bottle, this toner maintains its potency while lasting several months, even with consistent use. Its practical design makes it a reliable addition to your routine. In the second spot, we have L'Oréal. The L'Oréal Paris Revitalift Bright Reveal Brightening Peel Pads offer a convenient and effective way to incorporate glycolic acid into your skincare routine. With 10% glycolic acid, these pre-soaked pads provide professional-level exfoliation at home. Key features: each pad is infused with glycolic acid for exfoliation, proretinol to enhance cell turnover, and vitamin C to brighten and protect the skin. The pre-soaked format ensures precise and mess-free application. Benefits and usage: gently swipe a pad across your face after cleansing, avoiding the eye area. Use them nightly for a brighter, smoother complexion and minimize dark spots. With consistent use, they also help to improve skin firmness. Usability: these peel pads are perfect for those with busy lifestyles, offering convenience without compromising efficacy. They're suitable for all skin types, including beginners to glycolic acid products. Durability: with 30 pads in each jar, this product offers a month's supply of exfoliation. The airtight container keeps the pads fresh, ensuring consistent performance throughout their use. Coming in at number 3 is the Badescu. The Badescu Glycolic Acid Toner is a gentle yet effective option that's particularly beneficial for those with combination or oily skin. Its alcohol-free formula ensures hydration while exfoliating. Key features: this toner features glycolic acid to exfoliate, aloe vera to soothe, and grapefruit extract to brighten the skin. The alcohol-free formula makes it non-drying and suitable for daily use. Benefits and usage: after cleansing, apply the toner to a cotton pad and gently sweep it across your face and neck. With regular use, you'll notice reduced hyperpigmentation, smoother texture, and a radiant glow. Usability: its lightweight formula absorbs quickly, making it easy to follow up with your moisturizer or serum. It's a versatile choice that fits seamlessly into any skincare routine. Durability: packaged in a durable plastic bottle, this toner lasts for months and maintains its effectiveness with proper storage. Its generous size offers excellent value for money. Taking our 4th spot is Alpha H. The Alpha H Liquid Gold Glycolic Acid is a cult favorite exfoliating treatment designed for nighttime use. Its high-performance formula delivers salon-like results, making it a standout product in any skincare routine. Key features: this toner contains 5% glycolic acid, licorice extract to brighten, and silk proteins to condition the skin. Its low pH formula enhances penetration, ensuring optimal exfoliation and hydration. Benefits and usage: use this toner 2 to 3 times a week at night, applying it to a cotton pad and sweeping it across your face and neck. With consistent use, you'll notice refined pores, even skin tone, and a visibly smoother texture. Usability: the lightweight liquid absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky residue. It's ideal for those looking for a straightforward yet powerful addition to their evening routine. Durability: the sleek bottle ensures minimal product wastage, while its airtight design preserves the formula's potency over time. A little goes a long way, making it a cost-effective choice. And there you have it, our top 5 glycolic acid toners to elevate your skincare game. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's a product here to suit your needs. Remember, consistency is key with exfoliating toners, so start slow and build up your usage. Always pair glycolic acid with sunscreen during the day to protect your skin. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and product reviews. See you in the next video.